in this question we need to find the length of CD. Now let's analyze what is given in the question. Okay, given is it's AB not AR. Length of AB is how much? 15. Length of BC is given is how much? 18. Okay. Now length of AD is given how much? 24. I have to give some gap. I know my drawing is not much good, but it's sufficient to understand the concept. Now you must need to recall the concept that tangent drawn from exterior point is equal. Two tangents are drawn from exterior point are equal. So I can say AE is equal to AH, as A is an exterior point, B is also an exterior point, so EB is equal to EBF. C is also an exterior point, so I can say CF is equal to CG, and D is also an exterior point. I can say DH is equal to DG. Okay. Now let's say if I say E is as X, so AH will be also as X. So DH will be how much? 24 minus X. Full length is 24. AH is X. So remaining will be how much? 24 minus X. So if AE is X, so EB is how much? How much? EB is equal to 15 minus X. If DH is 24 minus X, so DG will be how much? 24 minus X. If EB is 15 minus X, so I can say BF as 15 minus X. If whole is 18, so I can say 18 minus or 15 minus X is how much? CF. So CG will be also equal to EF. So I can say CD is equal to 24 minus X plus 18 minus of 15 minus X. By opening the bracket, 24 minus X plus 18 minus 15 is how much? 15 3 18 minus minus plus X. X will get cancelled. 24 3 27 centimeter is the final answer. I hope you have understood it.